Bone-in veal chop parmesan with a side of sauteed spinach, olive oil, and garlic. All right, so we're doing a great veal chop today. I went to the butcher block, had them cut me a half-inch veal chop, bone in. So I'm going to set that on the cutting board. And I've got this great device here. It's a meat tenderizer. It has like hundreds of little needles that pop out and go through the meat and break down the fibers. If you don't have one of these, you got to get yourself one. Now I know veal's already tender, but we want it to melt in your mouth tender. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, so after we tenderize it, we're going to do the traditional flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. And we're going to set that to the side while we heat up our oil. Alright, I'm using avocado oil. Put a good amount in the frying pan. And we'll turn that on medium heat. Get the heat up to about 350 degrees. And then we're going to put the chop in. And this is going to cook fast. Like I said, it's only about a half an inch thick. So we're going to do about 3.5 minutes on each side. Until it gets nice and brown. Just like that. Alright, now we'll move it to the rack. Let that drain off any excess oil. While that's resting, we're going to work on our spinach. Take a little saucepan, good olive oil on the bottom, turn the heat on to medium. We're going to add about 4 cloves of garlic, and we'll mix that garlic in. And once that garlic starts to become fragrant, that's where we're going to add our bunches of spinach. And I'm using baby spinach here. Alright, so we'll start to add our spinach, and you're going to notice that very quickly the spinach is going to break down. So one bag of spinach will be maybe 1 serving of this dish. So you're going to need quite a bit of spinach. So we'll start to mix it around, get everything coated nicely, evenly with that olive oil and garlic. And as we mix it, you see the spinach breaking down and getting smaller and smaller. Then we'll add some more mix, add more mix, until you have pretty much all your spinach in there. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, mix a little more, and set to the side because it is done. That's, believe it or not, one large amount of spinach. That is just, maybe you'll get 2 servings out of that right there. Okay, moving on to the chop. Chop is rested enough. We're going to now set it onto our cookie sheet. Put some of our homemade spaghetti marinara sauce on top. And then we're going to put some whole milk shredded mozzarella on top of that. And we're going to put it in the 375 degree oven until that cheese is golden and melted throughout. Once the cheese is melted, we're going to remove it. We're going to plate it with our spinach and a little bit of extra marinara sauce on the side. And you have yourself a delicious bone-in veal chop parmesan that you'd be happy to serve that to anybody. Alright, give this one a shot. You're going to love it. And thanks for watching. And come back for more. Remember to hit that bell to stay up to date on our newest recipes. Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you.